I've always loved mechanical engineering, building something from scratch, trying to explain things we can and cannot see about the world.
I love the fact that the course is very practical. ARU has specialist equipment and professional grade gears, which lets you practice skills that are used in the real world. We've got tensile stress casting, we've got actual CNC machinery, we've got actual pillagers working, 3D printers, multi-jet cutters.
Our lectures are good. They use their knowledge and communicate in a funny way so you can understand it.
They have like the highest possible professional experience you can find. You can never be short of knowledge when you're in the ARU.
What I love the most about my course is being in small groups, which allows each project that we are in to be split equally.
In just 2 months, I've developed my presentation skills and I've grown a bit more confident as well.
I'm currently allowing the course to really open up my mind to the different directions that mechanical engineering can take me.
Why not come to our open day, talk with the teachers, see for yourself the labs, the facilities as well.
I'd say go for it.